My name is Omar. I'm from the UK and I study a diploma in hospitality management at IMI Switzerland. My favourite thing about studying at IMI is the fact that there's not many students in IMI, which makes it a very family-like environment, which makes it much easier to study and connect with people. Well, else than IMI, I would say the natural beauty that's outside of IMI. Switzerland's not like any other country with mountains and lakes, and sometimes when you have a long week in IMI, you can just go out for a weekend to a mountain and it's just beautiful, like a good way to kind of relax from a long stressful week. My future project, well, I'm hoping after I graduate from IMI, I want to complete a master's degree and hopefully one day I'll be a general manager of a large hotel chain, like the Hilton maybe or the Marriott. After thorough online research, I was comparing a lot of different hospitality schools, and I found that IMI was the best fit for me, mostly because I love the canton of Luzern, and all the other hospitality schools are they have more students than IMI, which makes them more of a university than a small, nice study environment. Of course, well, I can talk about how there's a tradition here at IMI where whenever it's anyone's birthday, we have to dunk them in the fountain in front of the school. Well, one day we took it one step too far and we took someone and we threw them in the middle of winter in the lake instead of the fountain. And that's one of the many memories I'm making every week here. One thing I would like to add is when I was coming to IMI, I did have very high expectations of the school. I expected it to be outstanding education and outstanding experience, and it was one step more than that. It was much better than I expected, and definitely not a choice I'm ever going to regret.